Before I write a single line of complex SQL join, I argue with my AI about it. Not because I'm lazy, but because AI catches logic errors that I'm too close to see. This is rubber ducking, and it saved my database from fan-out disaster. Here's the scenario. I want to join three tables: orders, customers, and product vibrants. Sounds simple, but if I'm not careful, I'll get a fan-out. One order row multiplying into dozens of duplicates because of how the join resolves. Instead of coding blind, I open Gemini and explain my logic in plain English. Literally like talking to rubber duck. But this duck talks back. Okay, I type out exact what I want to do. I have an order table, a customer table, and a product vibrants table. Each order can have multiple vibrants. I want to join them to get total revenue per customer. Then I ask, find the logic flows in my approach. Will this cause a fan out issue? And look at this, it immediately logs that joining on vibrant ID before aggregating with multiply my order rows. It tells me to aggregate first, then join. That's the exact mistake I would have shipped. Rubber ducking with AI isn't admitting that you don't know something. It is actually the fastest way to validate you do before it costs you a broken database at 2 a.m. Measure twice, code once. Tomorrow we will fix local environment. Subscribe so you don't miss it.